Welcome, in front of me is a POCO M5S, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, extend the list, and somewhere here you'll find a screen recording toggle. Now for me it's the last little toggle right here, so once you look at yours you can just tap on it to start recording, or you can hold it and this will take you to the settings where you can customize some of it. So looks like by default it is set to be pretty okay in terms of the quality. I would just recommend changing it from 24 to 30. This won't be like any visible change probably, but still it will be better than 24 frames per second. And contrary to what consoles would be trying to tell you before, 24 frames is not cinematic experience, it's just dog shit. And 30, it's not much better, but it's the best one we can set up right here. Now anyway, once you set it up, you can then toggle it on. So tap on a toggle and then select the red circle to start recording. And there we go. So whatever you'll do right now will be obviously recorded. Now once you're done recording, you can simply stop it. This will get automatically saved to your gallery application. So right here. I can now play it and there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.